How to add passcode on Spendee application. Are you guys facing issues to add passcode on Spendee app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this menu icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just scroll down. Now click on Advanced. After you click on Advanced, you can see the option for passcode. Just turn it on. After you toggle it, you need to create a passcode. Make sure that no one can steal it. Again, re-enter your passcode. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add passcode on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.